Homeowners usually arrive with one of four needs. Something leaks, the roof looks worn, paperwork is required, or a new roof system is being planned. Each has its own path, and the details you notice point us toward one. Repair suits trouble that sits in one spot, such as cracked tile or worn flashing. Flashing is the thin material that channels water away from joints, edges, and penetrations. Wear across the whole roof changes the conversation. Tile is the visible layer, but tile alone does not stop water. Underlayment is the sheet installed beneath it, and that sheet does the job. Lift and relay can fit when your tile is reusable and the underlayment needs replacing. We work on asphalt shingle, clay and concrete tile, natural slate, and metal roofs. Some sections sit nearly level instead of sloping, and those low-slope areas need membrane methods. Note the age of the home and any year the roof was replaced. Note the covering, where stains appear and which rooms show trouble. Please stay off the roof and off ladders. Roofing estimates are free. Call Santa Monica Roofing Contractors at 424-217-3627. Describe your home and your roof, and we will point you to the right service.